In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Obsidian with Claude Code and Claude Cowork on the desktop. First thing you're going to do is download the Obsidian app for Mac or PC. Once you have Obsidian downloaded, open up your Obsidian. Once you're inside of your Obsidian app, in the bottom left-hand corner, you will be able to select Manage Vaults. You're pointing Obsidian at a folder. It is a view into the folders on your machine. So you're going to want to open up a folder as a vault. I'm opening Obsidian to look at my AI Chief of Staff riff. Once that folder is selected, to see all of the different folders displayed here directly inside of Obsidian. When you select a file, Obsidian makes it easy to view, manage, and edit files directly on your computer, as well as get a visual of how all of your files are interconnected, kind of like a second brain. Now, how this connects to Claude via desktop is when you open up your Claude desktop app, you have the ability to select local folders or be able to work with repositories and tools like GitHub. In this case, I'm going to select my local folder, my AI Chief of Staff riff. I'm going to select it, and then I can begin to interact with that folder. Those updates are going to directly be displayed inside of my Obsidian app. So I can have Claude update and manage and review the files. And the same thing works with Claude Cowork. So again, working in a project folder, I'm selecting my project folder. I'm going to be able to work with Claude directly inside of that folder. And then that folder is going to, again, be displayed over here. And then last but not least, you're also able to connect the Claude terminal directly inside of Obsidian. To do that, when you're open inside of a vault, you're going to go to your settings. Then you'll want to add in the Claude Code MCP community plugin. There are a number of community plugins that you can use to use Claude Code Connector